The Untamed Enigma, Top 7 Wild Animal Mysteries. The natural world brims with wonder, but it also holds secrets that have baffled scientists for decades. Here are 7 captivating mysteries of the animal kingdom that continue to pique our curiosity. The elusive blobfish, blobfish. This deep-sea dweller, aptly named the blobfish, inhabits the abyssal zone of the ocean, where sunlight doesn't reach. With its gelatinous body and perpetually grumpy expression, the blobfish appears more like a cartoon caricature than a real creature. But the true mystery lies in its seemingly paradoxical existence. Despite the immense pressure at such depths, the blobfish lacks the usual adaptations like a swim bladder. Scientists are still piecing together how the seemingly fragile fish thrives in such a harsh environment. The whale song enigma, humpback whale. The haunting melodies of humpback whales are a marvel of the natural world. These complex songs, lasting for hours and traveled across vast distances, are thought to play a role in attracting mates and establishing dominance. However, the exact purpose and meaning of these songs remain a subject of ongoing research. Some theories suggest that the songs act like cultural markers, passed down through generations, constantly evolving with new additions and variations. Unraveling the intricacies of whale song could open a window into their complex social lives and communication methods.
The mass die-offs. Why do animals mysteriously fall from the sky? Mass die-offs of birds, fish, and even bats have been documented for centuries. These events can be unsettling, with hundreds or even thousands of animals plummeting from the sky seemingly out of the blue. Theories abound, ranging from collisions with man-made structures like power lines or wind turbines to environmental toxins or even natural phenomena like solar storms. The sheer number of deceased animals and the lack of consistent explanations make these mass die-offs a persistent mystery. The voyaging of the monarch butterfly. The annual migration of the monarch butterfly is a testament to the wonders of nature. Each year, these delicate creatures undertake a multi-generational journey, traveling thousands of miles from their breeding grounds in North America to overwintering sites in Mexico and California. The exact mechanisms that guide them on this incredible odyssey remain a subject of debate. Scientists believe they may rely on a combination of celestial cues, landmarks, and even the Earth's magnetic field.
The bioluminescent bonanza. Who turned on the lights? The phenomenon of bioluminescence, where organisms emit light, is a dazzling sight in the ocean depths. These living lights come in various forms, from the dazzling displays of fireflies to the glowing bodies of plankton. Scientists are still unraveling the purpose of bioluminescence. Some creatures may use it to attract mates or communicate, while others might employ it as a defense mechanism against predators. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a plastic feast no one wants. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a sobering reminder of human impact on the environment. This swirling vortex of plastic debris accumulates in the North Pacific Ocean, posing a significant threat to marine life. Animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to entanglement, starvation, and even death. Scientists are working on ways to clean up this plastic island, but the mystery lies in finding sustainable solutions to prevent further accumulation. These are just a few of the countless mysteries that keep us fascinated by the animal kingdom. As we continue to research and explore, we gain a deeper understanding of the incredible creatures we share this planet with. Who knows, perhaps one day we will crack the code on their communication, delve into the secrets of their migrations, or even understand their motivations behind seemingly bizarre behaviors. Until then, these mysteries continue to fuel our curiosity and inspire a sense of wonder for the wild world around us.